Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorial how to delete pattern sketch. So you can go to sketch by clicking start to the sketch and I will choose top plane. For example, I will draw rectangle and use these rectangle tools to create a rectangular pattern. And I will set for geometry this rectangle object. For direction, first direction I will select at this edge and you can click this flip option. I will set items into 5 and for the second direction I will click this edge, set again items into 5 and then for this 10 I will set into 7, click OK. Now if you select this object, right click and you can delete the object and press delete button. Now it will be not be delete. So you need to separate these patterns by right click and then go to edit pattern. After it, click at these icons to show more options and then you can uncheck for the associative. Click OK. Now you can delete the selected pattern. You can press delete button to delete like this. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorial how to delete pattern in Sketch. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.